Hi everyone, Drew Wiggle here, and welcome back. I had to offload and delete some of my videos and photos so I will have enough room again. Anyway, where was I? Oh yes. Here is my snuggle up Marshall, and he has a flashlight. Let's turn him on. And he said goodnight. And if I press this little button here,
Sweet dreams.
he has phrases.
I'm fired up to snuggle up. I'm a snuggle pup. Don't worry, buddy. I'll keep you safe. You're my snuggle buddy. Don't worry, buddy. I'll keep you safe.
So that was Marshall, everybody. And here we got Chase. He's a German Shepherd, and he also has a little flashlight, but this time there's a blue button on the top. Let's turn him on.
Good night.
And he shines a blue light, so let's press this button here.
I'm sleepy. Is it bedtime yet? See you in the morning. Was I snoring? Let's take a nap. Let's listen to a bedtime song. Was I snoring? See you in the morning. I'm sleepy.
So that was one of my copies of Chase. Here's my other copy of the same thing.
Good night.
Now let's press the button.
I'm sleepy. Is it bedtime yet?
Almost, bud.
See you in the morning. Was I snoring? Let's take a nap. Let's listen to a bedtime song.
So that was my second copy of the Snuggle Up Chase. Here is one of my copies of Snuggle Up Marshall. He also has a flashlight, but it's just like his other copy of himself. It has a red button. Let's do this one in the lullabies mode. So I need to move it to the right just a little bit. There we go. Now it's in the middle. And I press the button. I'll just do this one. That's it. So that was my copy of one of my other copies of Marshall. Here we have my Paw Patrol Snuggle Up Sky. And her flashlight is all gray, and she has a red button on the top of it. So let's go ahead and turn her on. And she shines a pink light.
I'm sleepy. Is it bedtime yet? Sweet dreams. Can you tuck me in? Let's listen to a bedtime song. Time for bed. Sweet dreams.
So that was Sky, everybody. Now I'm going to show you my Leapfrog, My Pal Scout Smarty Paws. This guy has bedtime music for 5, 10, and also 15 minutes. Let's turn him on, shall we?
Hi, Drew. I'm Scout. Hello, hello. I'm your pal, Scout. Come touch my paws, we'll laugh and play. I'll be your very best friend. We'll have such fun together. I'm your best pal, Scout.
So I'm going to show you the bedtime feature.
5 minutes of bedtime music. Snuggle up.
All right.
Goodbye.
I hope you all enjoyed this video. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget, I'm the Assistant Honda Pro. Now you're in the know. See you next time, everybody. Keep on wiggling.